all the heather got the Bronco stuck. So I've been driving for half an hour trying to find her on the north brow of the mountain road here on the north mountain. I'm not sure where she went. Didn't go this way. What the heck? Okay, let's go back here. Where did she go? No road maintenance proceeded on risk. That's ops. Oh, she must have went this way. Yeah, there's about 6 inches or a foot of snow, which would be enough to get me stuck with a tool drive. But I brought shovels, so she's got a tow rope. Now, go right. So that wasn't it. She said keep following the trail. Oh, excuse me. Let's see what happens. Since this is two-wheel drive, I'll use a bit of momentum to keep me going. Oh, I hate going downhill. How am I going to get out of here? I might be being towed out with the Bronco the whole way. Holy crap, where'd she go? This is all downhill. Oh, I don't like this. Maybe we'll do a quick walk. I can't even get out. I don't think I can get back up this, and I can't even get out. Oh, maybe I can. Freaking four-wheeler trails with a two-wheel drive truck in the wintertime. What are you thinking? Fast, but I have to, I'm dragging bottom. This is like ice here. Holy. What the hell is she doing back in here? Holy fudge-sickle. Oh my gosh. Better do some phone and make sure this is where she is. So there's just four-wheeler tracks down there. Come on, girl. Back it up. trail. I don't have to buy this stick again. Poopy. Nice and flat ground to start off on. Come on. Well, let's see what happens. Back up. See if I can get turned around. Now. No, I have to clean that one tire out. Alright, let's get this cleaned out. Okay, so I got her turned around. A little bit of shoveling, but never got stuck per se. Just cleared the spot so I can get turned around. So, she's saying she's not on this road at all now. Okay, this ain't the trail, even though this is the trail. She must come in at the other end, maybe? Not sure. Find it though. Woo! Clear the tires off the ground. Back on the same trail. This is the right trail. She did turn off and broken the trail like I thought. Yellow marker. This is where she turned off. Oh fuck, don't do that. Oh, I don't like this at all. Maybe that's a little fast. And just like that, we're back on the road again. We'll call that the road anyway.